Hi, this is Philip VanDusen from Verhaal Brand Design in New Jersey in the United States, and I wanted to share my experience with Joselle Tech and the Rolling Media and her squad. When I came to the Rolling Media, I was overwhelmed. My agency was really behind in our content marketing efforts, and we really needed help documenting our processes for marketing and also implementing those processes on a calendar. And Joselle and her team were able to really pull me out of that problem and document the processes that I needed to put in place to establish a regular content marketing strategy and implementation for my agency and my personal brand. Joselle has been absolutely amazing, and her team is incredibly talented. They've been able to introduce a level of clarity to my process and document that process. She's been able to help me post regularly on social media and execute my marketing strategy in a really smart way. The creative work they've done for my marketing, both in thumbnails for articles and also for my YouTube videos, have been stellar. So the creative expertise they have is great. And they've really been able to partner with me on design explorations around doing creative for my marketing. One of the greatest things about the Rolling Media and Joselle is that they are really true partners when it comes to working with me on my business. They're super great at communication. They're always very proactive and take great ownership in communication around driving projects forward and making sure I'm on task in getting things done. They're really a true partner who cares about the success of my business. And they also have a really broad range of skill sets and strengths, from brand strategy to design to content creation to digital marketing. They're really wonderful, a full service firm. And as a design firm and as a branding and strategy firm, I can really recognize when another firm has their processes and their skill set really buttoned up and are doing it well. And Joselle and her team at the Rolling Media do an exceptional job at all of these things. They really go the extra mile for clients, and they provide an extra level of service and attentiveness to your business and have really helped my business grow, thrive, and get to the next level. So thanks so much to Joselle and the Rolling Media for their work on my brand. And I know that they'll do great work for your brand.